Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading, and I just wanted to give you a quick setup that I have here on Square. Gave y'all a setup not too long ago on Square, and it worked fantastically. So now that we are getting another pullback, it is still a royal setup. We are above the 200, we are above the 50, and the 5 and the 13 are on a buy, and I've got a nice setup zone here for you. So I'm going to keep setting it up because it's a royal, and we have not met these higher time frame targets yet, okay? From that 16th of February high to this 5th of March low. Those targets are 308 and 339. Of course, we do have that resistance that we felt from before around 276, but this is your new setup zone, 238.27 to 245.56. If that low from today is in place, then your target off of the smaller swing inside the swing is going to be 273.95 and 281.81. Now, like I always say, you can use this higher, I guess I should say higher time frame, lower, longer swing, higher swing target if you want here at 308. Okay, but the smaller target is 273 if you're doing something that is more for maybe this week or the next. So your setup zone is 238.27 to 245.56 setup. Now we want to look for a trigger. Have we triggered on a 5-minute chart? Let's look and see. Yep, we have. So setup plus the trigger, this is where the blue crosses the red on the 5-minute chart, equals trade entry, and then you manage. You can use a 5-minute trigger as a swing trader as long as it is a royal setup, okay? And I will go ahead and take a look and see if it is triggered on that 15-minute chart yet, because sometimes we say we want you to have that in order to hold it overnight. We have not triggered on the 15-minute chart yet, but that could possibly happen tomorrow. We will keep an eye on it, but here is your setup, 238.27 to 245.56, and you have triggered on a 5-minute chart. Right, everybody, that's all I have for you for now. I hope you have an awesome rest of the day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me